Good morning guys, and welcome to today's vlog. It is currently around 7 a.m. and I'm about to go and eat breakfast. I woke up about an hour ago and I'm about to go out and feed all the animals and everything, and I want to apologize for the lack of videos that have been posted. This past week and last week I have been super busy, so I have not had time to film. I will show you guys our new ducks. If you guys follow me on Snapchat or Instagram or Twitter or anything like that, then you would know that we have two Pekin ducks now. Our uncle had to get rid of them because they did not get along with his ducks, so he wanted to put them in our pond. I also bonded our oldest set of chicks that we got with our hens because they are about 16 weeks old. The 4 chicks that I got first, they turned out to be 3 cockerels, which are 3 young roosters, and then the Easter egger was the only pullet in there, which is a young hen. So I have to get rid of, hold on, my arm hurts. Let me switch hands. I have to get rid of 2 or 3 of the cockerels because I just can't have that many roosters in one chicken coop, and I don't have enough hens and enough chicken coops built to have all of the roosters. If you have 2 roosters together, they'll fight like over the hens and stuff, so I definitely can't have 3 in the same chicken coop together with only like 10 hens. Okay, so for breakfast, I'm eating a peanut butter sandwich, and then I have my water, and then I made Lila scrambled eggs and toast. High five. There we go. Good girl. You're so cute. It's foggy out. Okay, so recently my parents put up this fence to kind of keep the horses out of the backyard in the pool area and stuff. So we have it fenced off down here, and then over there on the other side of the house we have it fenced as well, and we also have I think it's a 12-foot gate over there. Good morning. Good morning. Okay, so all the birds that are on this side I moved in here with our older hens, and the 3 on the good morning to you too, Bubba. The 3 on the top, the 3 lighter color ones, are all the pullets, and then the ones down here are all the cockerels that I have to find a home for. But they're doing really well with each other, and they'll just kind of develop that pecking order. I had them in this pen for a while, for a few weeks, and then I put them in here. So, oh my goodness, don't do it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So, after a few weeks, I put them in there so they kind of got used to each other through the fence. And then, I put them together, and they're doing really well. And then after I moved those babies out of here, I put the golden sex links in the Silkies and Faith. Yep, in here. Okay, so this is the other side of the house where the fence is, and that is the gate that was on the other side of the barn. We just took it off the other side of the barn, so we just have that gate on the barn now, and we moved this over here. So all of the back here and to the other side of the house is fenced in. Come on. Oh, and there's the ducks. Let me show you all the ducks. They're so cute. They don't have names yet. My great-grandmother is going to name the duck, and then my brother is going to name the drake. Hold on 1 second, and I'll zoom in. Good morning, pretty girl. Hey. Good morning. You ready to eat? She's like, of course I am. I'm always ready to eat because I'm a cow. Hey, lady. Hey, pretty girl. Hi. All right, let's go. Come on. Come on, buddy. Okay, Levi and Lady are eating their food, and we just put their hay in there. And Blue Jeans is out here. She's still eating her pellets. And no, I'm gonna leave you in there, even though you're not trapped, because you could just go that way. Help. Can't do this with one hand. Okay, I already fed the golden sex links and the sulkies and Faith. I'm about to feed these chickens in here. In the top scoop I have grower, and then in the bottom scoop I have layer and oyster shell. And I'm feeding both of these right now since I put the little babies in. I'm trying to transfer them from this to this, so they're kind of eating a little bit of both, and this will not hurt the adult hens. It rained last night, so it's kind of wet on that side. Watch your head. Okay, so I'm going to put the grower in here, excuse me, and then I'll put the layer over here. There we go. Okay, so it is a little bit later now, and I already let Levi and Lady out of the pasture into the bigger pasture because they were done with their food, and I'm about to go outside and muck. It's supposed to rain shortly, so I'm not sure how much work I'm going to be able to get done outside, but I'm going to try and get a lot of mucking done. Okay, I just came back inside. I am done mucking both of the pastures, and my parents also helped me clean out the rabbit hutches. I got in the pool for a little bit because I was really hot, because it was really hot out today. Okay, I just put the horses in the pasture so I can feed them their dinner. So I'm going to grab their buckets and get their food ready. Blue Jeans and Ladies, I'm going to put their do more feed. And then Levi gets
Senior. He eats the Purina Senior. And then Levi and Lady also get beet pulp and alfalfa pellets. Okay, so all the horses are eating their pellets, and they already had their hay this evening. I already gave that to them. So I'm going to go and check up on the chickens and the rabbits, and ducks are right there. And then I'm going to get the eggs. Hello. Okay, we have food, water, they have food, and then the rabbits. Hello, buddy. Hello. Hi. Alright, you have your fresh food and water. I have to feed Skittles his pellets still. And Reese has her hay and food and all that stuff. So I just have to feed Skittles. Okay, so here's Skittles' food. I'm gonna go and put this in his kennel. Okay, this is for Skittles. I already fed the other two rabbits. Here you go, little guy.
Alright, y'all, I just ate dinner and I'm about to take a shower and get ready for bed. But I love you all so much, and I thank you guys for watching. I'll see y'all next time. Bye!